Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a try on haul video for you guys from fashionnova. Haven't opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. Alright, let's go. So the first thing I pulled out was a bathing suit from fashionnova. I wanted to get three more bathing suits differently. One so I can actually wear like at the pool where I live. So I got this one. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what this bathing suit looks like. It's a one piece off the shoulder type. I wanted to get something that I could actually wear like at the pool because they have a rule where you're not supposed to wear inappropriate bathing suits. So I don't know what that means. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. I'm just seeing it for the first time. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I like it. I think it's super cute. I mean, I can wear this at the pool, you know, beach. So this is what this one looks like. It's very comfortable too. Okay, it feels so good. Alright, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and get the bathing suits out of the way. So I did buy two other bathing suits. I got this one in white and I got it in black as well because I think it's really cute. I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys so you guys can see what this one looks like. Okay, but why is this one cute? I actually thought this was like a bathing suit bottom and then it had like the cover up on top, but no, this actually is like a whole, it's like stuck to it, and I think this is really cute. I like it. I really do. I like this. I just need to tighten this a little bit more. I can't do it myself, but you know, this is what basically it'll look like. I really like this one, and then I got it in black, so I'm really excited about that. Just something that I can actually like wear here in my where I live, so I don't like feel uncomfortable. But yeah, this is really cute. Look at it. I really like it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the black one. Alright, this is the black one. Look how freaking cute this one is. I really like it. The material feels amazing. These are so cute. The little details on them and everything. It's just like, whoa. I really like it. Oh my god, this is super cute. I'm glad I got it in black and white. Just to have like a different bathing suit. But this is super cute, you guys. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the clothes that I got. Alright, so this is the next outfit. This one is super cute. I have this one in gray, and it was my favorite, and I'm like, you know what, I need to get myself the one in black, so I decided to get the one in black. This is what the back looks like. It's open from the back, so it's really nice. It's the pant set. I got it in a size medium. These I get them in a medium just because I like it to be really tight on my body. So the material is amazing, feels really nice and fresh. So I decided to get this one. I have it in gray now and I have it in black. So now I'm like, yeah. So that's what that one looks like. Alright, this is the next outfit. This top. And I got these flare pants, but I'm too short for them. So I think I'm going to have to get them fixed. So I will show you guys like a video of it, but yeah, I'm probably too short, so I might have to go get them fixed a little bit. But they're so cute. I like the comfortable of them. Like, I like how they go up and they're not really like low. So it's a cute little top as well. I like this one. I picked this top with these jeans because I wanted to wear it like this. It's so cute. I love it. Alright, next outfit. Alright, so I got this tight little black dress. I really like it because this is really cute. What do you guys think? I feel like a model, dude. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. I think it's really nice. I like the fit. I like the material on it. It feels really good. Yep. Alright, next one. Alright. This top. I'm glad that I got it in a extra large because I don't think it would have fit me if I would have got it in a large. And of course I had to get another pair of my favorite jeans because these are, they fit amazing, they look amazing. Dude, I love these jeans. So these ones are the Canopy ones. I will list all the, all the items that I picked out. But yeah, my booty looks like wabang. I really like these jeans. I got them in a size 11. If you have a bigger booty, I suggest you get it like a size 13 probably. I think I could have gotten away with a 13, but this one fits really nice and tight. I like them fitting tight like that. The top is so nice. I really like the top. It's super cute. You can wear tape or whatever just to kind of like, you know. But yeah, this top right here looks so good. The girls look really nice. It's a zip up from the back. But yeah, this one looks really good. I got in a size large. I think I should have gotten it maybe an extra large, but I mean, it feels good. I think I like it as a large, just that it keeps tight, and then the booties look like really good. So, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and try on more outfits. Alright, and here is another two-piece pant set. I mean, I just love these. I feel so confident, so comfortable when I wear these. I have this one. I believe it's like a purplish, pinkish set. And like a pink set, and then now I have it in a brown set. Very comfortable. I like it when it has long sleeves. Even when it has short sleeves, it still looks amazing, like the black one that I showed you guys. But come on, like look at this. It makes the booty look so good too. And then it shows you like a little bit of shoulders. It's kind of a little bit of sexy, you know. I love it. I would definitely wear a bra with it. I'm not wearing a bra now because it's really hot. But yeah. This is what it looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Alright, so I totally forgot I had this one and another one that I have to show you guys. But this is another like two-piece set. This is more like a baggy, not baggy, I don't know how to explain it, but more flared pants. I am really short. I'm 5'2", not really short, but 5'2". So these ones I feel like if I wear like a big heel, they would look good. But like I said, I don't wear heels, so maybe if I can get them altered to like my size, they would fit amazing. But this is my favorite set so far. Like the pants fit amazing. It looks really good. Yeah, so this is another one that I want to show you guys. I totally forgot that I had this one. I have one more to show you guys, so you guys can see. Alright, moving on. Alright, so this is the other one that I got. So now I have the gray, the black, and this color right here. It is so cute. The color, the material is amazing, you guys. Like, if you were to pick something, I suggest you pick something like a two-piece pant set because you could never go wrong. So I do get them in a size medium, so they fit really nice and tight from, you know, my butt and everything. So yeah, this is another one. This is the next one. This is super cute. I like it. I wasn't able to zip it up because I can't reach by myself. But this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is so cute. Great for summer. It's like these little rompers. It's so cute with the logo in front. I like it. Like, I can see myself. I got these shoes as well. Let me show you guys the shoes. I got shoes. This is the first time like I ordered shoes in a while. I kind of wanted to get some like a little bit of heel shoes. I don't wear heels, to be honest with you guys. So I decided to get these ones with the little heel. I think they're cute. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I honestly don't wear heels, guys, but I was like, you know what, maybe something. I'm more of like a boots kind of girl. But I was like, a little heel won't hurt. Don't like come for me because I don't wear heels. I've never worn heels. It's like rare. But I'll go ahead and try this on and show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to wear one. Okay, so I'm just going to wear one. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Super cute. I think this is cute, like really cute. I'm going to try to film it with my phone. So that's what that one looks like. It's super cute. I mean, it's not even, I think it's like 4 inches probably, but it's cute. I really like these. So, yeah. So yeah, that's basically my haul video from Fashion Nova. Let me know what pieces you guys like. I'm actually thinking of trying to see if I can find a dress for next month, because next month is my birthday and I need to find myself a cute outfit to wear for my birthday because, girl, we need a cute outfit. So if you guys have any suggestions, and if you guys can do me a big favor and go to fashionnova.com and check out their outfits, like the dresses or something that you would like for me to try on, leave them in the comments down below and I will definitely order them for next month so we can go ahead and try them out together so you guys can see what they look like. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.